welcome back to my channel. And if y'all are new, welcome. My name is Lorena and this is Christopher. And today he's gonna pick out my makeup. And
yeah, she's bad at introducing people. This is Milo Mathena.
And Milo. But he knows them. He's been in a lot.
So now pick out your makeup?
You pick out my makeup.
Alright. Yeah,
just pick out what you think I need. You didn't even look in it.
Well, I like the box.
Okay.
Alright. Yeah, that's cool. No bud.
But you'll have to, when you get everything, you're going to have to show me what color you want me to use.
Oh.
Because you had to pick like exactly the eyeshadow color.
Okay. Let's look. Like this color?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright.
So then I can just use whatever other color, or can I just use that color? Only that color.
You told me I had to pick a color.
I know, but babe, you have to blend it and stuff.
You told me to pick a color, and then you tell me to pick one color, and then you ask me, can I use all the other colors?
Do you want me to just use that color?
Use them all. I don't use them all.
You picked that color.
So is this like a lipstick?
Yeah.
Or what?
It's lipstick.
What's that?
It has 2 coats.
Oh. What's this do?
So. Babe.
What? 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 I don't know what it is either, bud. It's all the same color or what?
Well, yeah, I'm usually the same color.
Then what's the difference?
Is that it?
Is that all you need?
I can't really tell you. Is this what you think?
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright.
Okay.
You get your makeup now. No, bud. I don't know what none of that stuff is either.
I've only used this once. And I don't even know how to even like put it. What? Like. I don't know where all of it is at, but. And if I look that way, sorry, here's my mirror. I just realized I don't have no concealer. So could I possibly put that elf underneath my eyes? Or was that cheating? That's cheating. Okay, I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna do that. No cheaters over here. It's a mess, yes it is. But I don't care because I'm on quarantine. I'm gonna go in with my Mary Kay translucent powder, which I don't really like this stuff because it gives like bad flash. Yeah, is that what it is? But I'm gonna put it underneath my eyes so I can do my eyes. You know what I'm saying? Maybe that will help, like, because I don't have no concealer. I don't know. I don't know what to do. I had this eye primer, so I'm gonna put that on the eyes. I'm gonna go pieces all over the lid, towards, you know, crease area. And then I'm gonna put some of that on like the waterline. Hello everyone. So this is the final look. I actually really, for one, don't think I like this primer anymore. And of course, I did my mascara and lips off camera, and I promise I did those two products, which for one, I forgot how much I hate this freaking spoolie wand on this mascara. I hate it. I dislike it very much. So yeah, but I hope y'all liked this tutorial. And yeah, I actually really like this eye look. You can't tell that I did it, but I did put that royal blue right there, but all the way to like right here in the middle. But it didn't really show up. But then again, I was too scared to go too much on it. I didn't want to take away from like what was going on up here. But yeah, I honestly love this look. And I'm glad my husband picked it out. And yeah, so there's that. Okay, I hope y'all enjoyed this little fun tutorial of my husband picking out my makeup. I'm still upset there was no concealer because I got some bags, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and remember, spread love and positivity because that is what this world needs right now. And just thank you all so much for watching, and see y'all in the next video. Bye.